Hi everyone, this is Pawan. Are you looking for an action camera that can capture stunning 4K videos? Then the Fitspark Eagle i12 real action camera is the perfect choice for you. This action camera is equipped with the next gen IMX386 CMOS sensor that can capture true 4K color saturation. It also has a 6-axis gyro EIS stabilization and a HD full-frame color screen for the finest in-camera resolution. It also supports Type-C external mic for all your motovlogging needs and has a flashlight for brighter images in the lighting. It also has a wind noise reduction feature to reduce unwanted wind noise while biking. It has a large capacity 1350 mAh lithium battery and is waterproof up to a depth of 99 feet. It also has a 170-degree wide-angle lens and a wireless remote control for taking videos and images on the go. So if you're looking for an action camera that can capture stunning 4K videos, then the Fitspark Eagle Action Camera is the perfect choice for you.